My name's Frank. These are all folks that have come up here to St. John's and Chambersburg to help. And tonight we're going to do a little Cupid Shuffle. So I just want to go over it real quick. It's a four-corner dance. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the right, kind of march to the right. So it looks like this. Right, 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 right. Now we go to the left. Left, 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 left. Now we're going to kick 4 times starting with our right foot. Right, left, right, left. Now we're going to turn. Okay, this is interesting. Usually ladies put their hands up their ears and get it and get it and get it and go around this way. Men, we just have to do a quarter turn. I go back to the 80s and I do the sprinkler to turn around. Whatever way, we're going to turn to the left and then start it all over again. So that's what it's got to look like. We'll do one 4-corner for you. All right, everybody to the right, 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 to the left, 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 left. Now kick, right, left, right, left. Now hit it, hit it, hit it to the right, 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 to the left. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now kick, right, left, right, left. Hit it, hit it, hit it to the right, 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 to the left, 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 left. Now kick, right, left, right, left. Now hit it, hit it, hit it. One more time. To the right, 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 to the left, 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 left. Now kick, right, left, right, left. Hit it, hit it, hit it. That is the Cupid Shuffle.